welcome to Candi Entertains. Today I have a very special guest. It is the Bootleg Chef himself, my buddy, Mr. Jackson.
Appreciate you. Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Thanks for being
What's up, y'all?
here.
We're gonna do some great things today. Have some fun. I'm here with this beautiful queen. She's allowed me into her home to bless some chicken today.
All right. So what are we making?
We're making a Keto Teriyaki air fried chicken.
Whoa.
It's a lot. It's a
Sounds
mouthful. It's gonna taste great though.
So do you like to use bone-in chicken?
Yeah, I'll use bone-in chicken thighs.
Okay.
It cooks better for me for some reason.
Yeah.
I can't explain it. Some people swear by boneless. But
I like bone-in too. To
yeah.
me, it's more juicy.
Yeah,
and
right.
flavorful.
Yeah, absolutely. One is the lemon pepper. For me, it gives it a nice crust to it.
Okay.
It makes the flavor pop better.
Yeah.
It gives it that crunchy feel that we all look for when we want to eat fried chicken.
Right.
Without all the breaded.
So with keto, can you have fried food?
No, not in the traditional sense of fried food.
Okay.
You can use what we call almond flour or coconut flour.
Okay.
Coconut flour is pretty good. You would put that on first and then
Alright.
come behind that with your almond flour. Because coconut flour is kind of a pain to work with. It sucks up a lot of moisture.
Okay.
So you have to be careful with your ratios of that to liquid.
So is that why we're using the air fryer?
Yes, the air fryer is a healthier alternative to using grease or lard or like Crisco or
Nice.
the other oils.
Okay.
And it gives it a better crust if you ask me.
All right, the chicken is seasoned. Now it's time to marinate. What we're gonna do is get yourself a nice large Ziploc bag. You can store at least 4 or 5 bone-in chicken thighs. Bone in.
Perfect.
And what you want to do is when you get your sauce, you want to pour your sauce in the bag, and you want to do it for at least an hour, no less than an hour,
Okay.
so the flavor can resonate through. If you want to do it overnight, that's not bad at all. 24 hours, it's actually a better move. But if you're in the crunch for time, at least 1 hour. And with the magic of TV, we already got it marinated.
All right.
So it's been in the refrigerator marinated for an hour. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it, put it in the air fryer. And this is the key. When you put it in there, place it in the air fryer. Make sure your air fryer is preheated, all right, people? A lot of people make the mistake of not preheating their air fryer. You get better results when it's preheated. The air is already circulated through, has everything warm on the inside. So it's good to go.
So we're gonna take our thighs out of the bag, we're gonna put them in the air fryer, bottom side up, skin side down. Now, here's another thing. You don't use the preset time that's already on the that comes with the air fryer. I found that it doesn't cook thoroughly for me. That's just for me and other people that I've spoken to. What you want to do is you want to cook them for 10 minutes each side. With the bottom side up, skin side down. Cook them for 10 minutes each side, 10 to 12 minutes each side. Check in between, once you get to 10 minutes to 12 minutes, check in between those two for your level of crispiness. All right, so in between cooking, cut it off so we can flip them. Look at them, they're beautiful already.
Nice and golden.
Nice and golden. They're gonna look so much better once we're done. You just wait. And they're still juicy, that's the key. They're still juicy, that flavor is locked in.
Now the time is up. It's ready. Look at this. Look at how golden brown that is.
Wow, that was
Just
delicious.
amazing.
I'm so excited.
It's like a caramelized topping on
That's what you want. Color equals flavor.
there. Color equals flavor. I like that. I forgot to tell you guys, you're gonna cook it on 360 degrees
Right.
for 10 to 12 minutes per side.
Okay.
Bottom side up, skin side down,
Wow.
and get that nice crispy golden brown texture to it. And here we are. Teriyaki air fried keto chicken thighs. The best, guaranteed, hands
It looks amazing. Thank you so much
I
for
appreciate
being
you.
my first guest on my
I
show.
appreciate you. These baked beans here that you made. Oh my goodness.
Oh yes, if you want that recipe, it'll be coming out very soon. My ultimate barbecue baked beans. Here's great. Chicken.
On top. That's
Teamwork.
what I'm talking about.
So let the people know where they can find you on social media.
You catch me at the Bootleg Chef on Instagram. Facebook, The Bootleg Chef. I'm not doing too much with Twitter, but I'm working out. I'm working out. Catch me.
Also, an awesome baker. He makes sugar-free cheesecakes. So check him out.
Appreciate that. They're pretty good.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
I cannot wait to taste these.
I want to taste these baked beans. Oh my gosh. It smells so, oh, if you wish you smell.
All right, guys. Well, if you enjoyed this show and want to see more awesome recipes, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.